Hi, welcome back to the Roberts London channel. In this video I'm going to unbox and review my new Cherry G80 3000MX mechanical keyboard. I've pretty much worn out my old mushy membrane keyboard and I'm working on a new website and blog, so I need to do a lot of typing. So I fancied a more tactile and responsive keyboard. Now it's impossible to explain feel, but I think mechanical keyboards feel better. And this one with blue MX switches has a distinctive clicky sound. You can both hear and feel the actuation point of each key when it's pressed. They're a well-built keyboard. They're relatively large and relatively heavy, so they won't slide all over your desk. They are 18.5 inches long, which is 470mm. They're 7.6 inches wide, which is 195mm, and 1.73 inches high, which is 44mm. And it weighs 935 grams, which is 2 pounds. Each mechanical key is expected to operate 50 million times, and the characters are laser inscribed, so they won't wear off easily. Now, in a lot of reviews people describe these as loud, which I think is a bit of an exaggeration. They're certainly louder than a membrane keyboard. They click, but they're no louder than a mouse click or someone smashing away on a membrane keyboard. I think if you gave these people old-fashioned typewriters, which people used for years with no adverse effects, they'd request ear defenders and physiotherapy for their repetitive strain injury. It's a wired USB keyboard and it comes with a relatively long 1.75 metre long connecting cable and an adapter for the older style keyboard jacks. I simply plugged it into my PC using the USB cable and it installed its own drivers very quickly. On the underside it has two flip out feet, so you can either have the keyboard sitting flat or slightly angled towards you, depending on your own personal preference. I've been using this keyboard for around a week now, and if you've got a lot of typing to do, you're thinking about getting a mechanical keyboard, I definitely have no hesitation recommending this one.